6 minus 3 times 1 minus 3. Negative numbers hiding in plain sight. Let's see if you can spot them. Most people start with the parentheses. 1 minus 3. Some people say 2 because they flip it in their head. Others get confused. Then they try to figure out what 3 times something is, and the whole thing falls apart. Let me show you the right way. Parentheses first. 1 minus 3 is negative 2. Not 2. Negative 2. Now you have 6 minus 3 times negative 2. Multiplication next. 3 times negative 2 is negative 6. Now the problem is 6 minus negative 6. And here's where magic happens. Subtracting a negative is the same as adding. 6 minus negative 6 equals 6 plus 6. That's 12. The answer is 12. 2 negatives made a positive, and most people never saw it coming. If you got 0 or 6 or anything else, you fell into the trap. Negative numbers are sneaky. They hide in subtraction and flip your answer when you least expect it. If this one got you, leave a like and subscribe. I'll keep showing you how negatives play tricks.